guys, and welcome to Horror Stuff. Like I promised last week, I was going to make the second part of my Texas Chainsaw Massacre collection, and today I have the second part for you. And I have a couple of figures that I think you will like, and we'll just get started. My first pick for this second part is a NECA figure from the original Texas Chainsaw Massacre movie, and it's a newer version of the Leatherface figure in a tuxedo by NECA. So I showed you the old version last week, the running Leatherface in his tuxedo. This is a retro cloth Leatherface, newer version. So you can get a close up there. I really like this version. I like the retro cloth versions of the NECA figures. I like to have a diversity in figures, both all plastic and the ones with real clothing on. They can both look really great, in my opinion. You can see the chainsaw there from the side, maybe. There. And the back. Just imagine getting chased by a psychopath in a torn off skin mask and looks like a lady with makeup on and tuxedo, a blazing chainsaw. That's fucking terrifying. I think that's the most terrifying serial killer in all of horror movies, in my opinion. I really like the artwork on these newer NECA figures too. Really cool artwork. And you get the chainsaw, you get the sledgehammer there to the right. Awesome figure. That's the first figure. The second figure is from NECA 2, and it's from the movie Texas Chainsaw Massacre Part 2, and it's a member of the Sawyer family, Chop Top, and it's also a retro cloth figure, and you get a lot of accessories with this one. You get the wig there, and you get the hammer, and let's see what's that down there, and the knife, and what's all that is, crowbar, something, I don't know, or hook maybe. Yeah. It's really cool, this figure. They made an old plastic one. I don't know if it was McFarlane or Retro NECA. I don't have that one. I'm getting it later. You can get a close up there. You get the shades too there. Really cool details, in my opinion. And also the artwork there is really cool. Let's see the back. There has a little description of the figure. There you can see him with the wig on and his shades. So that's the second figure, Chop Top, Texas Chainsaw Massacre 2. And we have another one from NECA, from Texas Chainsaw Massacre Part 2. and this is also a tuxedo version of Leatherface. It's a newer version. It looks like that. So you can get a close up here. It looks a little different, a different mask, not the lady mask anymore. Looks more more zombie-like in my opinion. And a different shirt. Get a bloody. What is that? I don't know. Some type of axe or something. Oh. And you get the chainsaw there. And a set of hands. And also very cool artwork. And let's see in the back. It's a cool figure, in my opinion. What is that? It's hard to see what it is. I don't care. Cool figure anyway. And I saved the best for last. I have 2 figures left. And the first of the last 2 is a McFarlane figure, and it's from the remake, and it's from their series, the movie Maniacs, and it's Leatherface in a certain pose when he comes out from the door, and it's an awesome figure. Really cool details, and if you unbox this one, you can place the door. The door is a part of the figure, and you can just pose him coming out from the door in a cinematic scene or something like that. It's a little bit glary, but you can see what I mean. See if I can show you the door. You can see the door from the upside there. There you have the door. See if you can see it through there. Not very much. But it's loose and you can pose it the way you like. There's a picture of Leatherface here on the side. On the back there's another picture of him in the door. These figures are really cool. They're made they're movie Maniacs are really cool. And they're like scenes from the different movies of yeah, certain killings or stuff like that from the horror movies. Like this top one here, where the girl runs through the hooks. I don't have that one, unfortunately. And I don't have the guy in the wheelchair either. It's really cool. And then you have the sheriff with a gunshot to the in the car. And there you have some figures from RoboCop and Aliens. But I really love these figures. They're so well made and awesome. And let's see if I can get a close up here so you can see both the door and the figure better. As This big bloody chainsaw too. So, if you like these figures, I think you can find them on eBay. They have a couple of years on production date. I don't know when they were made. 2004, so they might be a little bit tricky to find, but they can be expensive too. But, they're really worth the money, I can tell you that. And the last one is the best piece I have from Texas Chainsaw Massacre, and it's Massacre Toys Cinema Fair screen grab, and it's a movie scene from the remake, and it's Leatherface cutting up the guy from hanging and cutting him through the groin there. Really gruesome murder, and awesome scene to make a figure of. These Cinema Fair screen grabs is awesome in my opinion. And I plan on getting more of those. So we can get close up here. It's like a 3D package. You can watch it from different angles. So you don't need to take the figure out. You can just watch it from different angles. There you can watch it from the window side. You can see the guy hanging there, getting his body chopped up by the chainsaw, and the blood just spewing out. From the other side, you can see Leatherface from behind. And the guy hanging there. It's a little difficult to see very much of it on camera here, but in real life you see it very clear. It's an awesome figure in my opinion. And they made a couple of screen grabs. I think they did. I don't know if they did another one from the Texas Chainsaw Massacre, but I think they did. And they also made scenes from Nightmare on Elm Street and Friday the 13th. They're expensive, but they are awesome. Close up there. The blood spewing out there. Awesome. Awesome figure. Let's see the back. There you have a scene from Friday the 13th with Jason on the bottom of the ocean. The chains from the 7th movie, I think it was, part 7. There you see Texas Chainsaw Massacre figure I just showed you, and a scene from Nightmare on Elm Street with Freddy coming out from the wall when Nancy sleeps. That figure is really, really cool. So there's a couple of them. This is series 2. They did, I don't know how many series they did, but there are a few of these around. And boxed ones are really hard to find. There's a lot of loose ones, but I like to have them boxed because I think when they're boxed, they are posed like this, and it's really just an artwork. So I like to have them boxed. So that's my last figure of my Texas Chainsaw Massacre collection. I hope you like my collection, and if you like Texas Chainsaw Massacre, there's a ton of figures on eBay, that you can find. And both Massacre and McFarlane made a lot of cool Leatherface figures and other figures from those movies. So I really like them. But anyway, that's part 2 of my Texas Chainsaw Massacre collection. I hope you like my video, and if you like my channel, please hit the subscribe button and hit the like button so I can get ranked higher, and I will see you in my next video. Take care.